All right, they have a budget of 100 million yen, and it tells us that administrators make 10 million, and something else, administrative assistants make 7,500. So if I take 10 million and multiply it times the number of admins, and then take 7,500,000 times the number of assistants, that has to give me the total budget. Alright, so first thing let's do, and what are we trying to find? Select from each drop-down menu the option that creates the most accurate statement based on the information. So I'm trying to figure out how many admins and how many assistants. So the first thing I want to do is cross out as many zeros as I can. And that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that leaves me 100x plus 75y equals 1,000. And let's go ahead and divide through by 25. And that gives me 4x plus 3y equals 40. Now we got two variables and one equation. Let's see if we can see something. Let's see what anything that has anything to do in common. And I see the 40 and the 4x. So you'd like to have two equations with an x and y both in them, then you could solve it. But since I only have one equation, I've got to use a trick. So this is 3y equals 40 minus 4x. And this is 3y equals, factor out of 4, and that's 10 minus x. And now divide through by 3. Now, y is the number of assistants, and it's got to be a whole number. So we've got to get rid of this 3. That means this 3 has got to cancel with this. So I need for 10 minus x to actually have a value of 3. So let's let x equal 7. So if x is 7, I've got 4 times 4 over 3 times 10 minus 7. And that's y equals 4/3 times 3. And those cancel. So y equals 4. So 7 admins and 4 assistants.